Stock number 407 18P. It's a 2012 CRV. Does have a key, it does not start. You can see the front bumper's no good. Headlights are dirty. Front fender's no good. This door's no good. I don't see any damages over here. Right here on the rear deck lid. I don't see any damages over here. Scratch right there. Steering wheel airbags deployed. The passenger dash airbags deployed. The passenger seat belts deployed. It does have a key. It does not start. The seat belt is locked on the passenger side. The roof airbags deployed. Does not have a sunroof. It does not have third row seating. The seat belt is good. Seat belt is locked. Stock number 407 18P. It's a 2012 Honda CRV. It does have a key. It does not start.